Medka Mavara Riche Balalam
Umer dua kuranta mamma bunane namadu kon nimigen dua kudammaneya alliyan mamma wes bunane uri ha iraku wes dua kuramwaneya aharemen haddawa jenguluwa ilahaki man Allahu ehemwima huriha kamen wes kura iruwes aharemen Allahu Ta'alaya dua kuramwane ennundo mifaharu baby nursery ige kudin wes mibunani hama ewahaka baby nursery ige kudin ushala de tantu Allah ballawalawa
Where are you going? Where are you going? North, south, east, or the west? Where are you headed? Oh, where are you headed? Turn to Allah, that's the best. 'Cause He is there wherever you are. So turn, turn, turn to Allah. Where do you live? Oh, where do you live? In a tent or in a town? It doesn't matter where you live, you can soon be found. 'Cause He is there wherever you are. So turn, turn, turn to Allah. Allahu, Allahu, Jalla Jalaluhu. Allahu, Allah, Jalla Jalaluhu. Allahu Akbar, Jalla Jalaluhu. Where do you come from? Where do you come from? North, south, east, or the west? It doesn't matter where you're born, Islam is the best. And He knows who the good Muslims are, who turn, turn, turn to Allah. What are you doing? What are you doing? I'm praying to my Lord to keep us guided on the straight road. 'Cause we all need guidance wherever we are. So turn, turn, turn to Allah. Allahu, Allahu, Jalla Jalaluhu. Allahu, Allah, Jalla Jalaluhu. Allahu Akbar, Jalla Jalaluhu. Where are you going? Where are you going? North, south, east, or the west? Where are you headed? Oh, where are you headed? Turn to Allah, that's the best. 'Cause He is there wherever you are. So turn, turn, turn to Allah. Allahu, Allahu, Jalla Jalaluhu. Allahu, Allah, Jalla Jalaluhu. Allahu Akbar, Jalla Jalaluhu.